This color looks super cool, and absolutely love that interior. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 63,265 miles on the odometer. Now, we do have a crack here in the windshield, but we have a brand new one on order, and it will be installed before you purchase the vehicle. If you see any flickering on the screens and gauges, that's just in camera, that is not in person. We are in sport mode. Shifts nice and smooth. That shifts really nice. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any shakes or shimmies in it. Alignment feels good. I do hear a little bit of wind noise on that back right area, it sounds like. It's very windy today though, and it could be hitting it just right. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard. Brakes feel solid. Steering feels good. Hear that wind noise, and it might be from the top here. It actually sounds like it's coming from the top somewhere. Sounds like it's hitting it just right. Other than that, drivability is amazing. Love the steering wheel. Seats are super comfy, and this interior, I mean, those seats are the craziest seats I've seen. Those look super good. Love driving this. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this front right tire, got a ton of tread left, looks really good. That wheel's in great condition as well. Looking around at the tire, nice and clean. Date code 2023. You do have film on 1/3 of that fender hood and that lower section. This paint looks super cool. I love that color. That flare's in great condition. Side mirror looks good. We're adding a brand new windshield to this, so don't worry. It does have a crack now, but we have a new one on order. You do have some touch-up spots right here. The rest of that looks good. You got PPF on that door cup and on that door edge. That plastic looks nice. The graphic here is kind of tore. You got a little chip there. Typical impacts in this area. The rest of that looks nice. That graphic's clean. Surrounding top there is good. Tires look good. Suspension looks really nice. That wheel's in great condition. Side steps look good. And you just have that touch-up spot there, honestly, and that's about it. Like I said, you have film right here on that first little section. Nice and clean. Little impact there. The rest that's nice. Graphic looks good. Plastics look amazing. There's one chip there. Scanning that front end. It looks really, really good. Got the rigid lights in here. Typical little rock impacts on that lower silver part, but everything else looks tip-top, really clean. Fender looks good, flare's clean. That wheel looks nice. Steps look good. Got the door code here. Edge looks good. A couple ripped spots on that graphic. I mean, even looking at that, it's very minimal on the rock impacts. That wheel looks good. brand new tire here on the back. Scanning that lower side, nice and clean. Even looking underneath. Does not look like this went off-road. That's really, really nice. That section looks good, top's clean. Wheel looks awesome. That's impressive. Absolutely gorgeous machine here. All right, checking out the interior. This thing is absolutely wicked. All the carbon. Love the blue with the orange accents. That is really, really cool. Upper section looks good. Grab handle's nice and clean. That looks good. You have PPF right here protecting the edge, so you can see that. That looks good. Got the all-weather mats. And then check out the seats. Dark blue with the orange accents. All this Alcantara is in great condition. You can see right here a little bit of separation on that bolster. I'll try to zoom in and see that just a little bit. Looks like it's doing it there just a hair as well. Other than that, that seat's perfect. Got the nice chunky steering wheel, the carbon in here. Looks good. Nice and clean. That screen looks awesome. Got a little spot right there. Other than that, this side looks amazing. Here on this door panel, that looks amazing. Got the carbon here, nice and clean. Floor mats look good. Seat bolster's perfect. These seats are amazing. Love the color combo. Grab handle looks good. I mean, absolutely gorgeous on this side. Here on that door panel, looks amazing. All-weather mats. Check out the seat backs. A couple light scuffs. These seats look really good. Absolutely gorgeous back here as well. Here on that tire carrier, a couple little scratches there. You got a carbon license plate frame here. It's faded though, but it will be included with the car. That looks good. Seat backs look amazing. Got these little Velcro spots here, I guess just from extra storage and to protect the plastics. All right, scanning through the engine bay here. It looks really, really nice. Very clean. Even get up close to all the details. Very well kept. Here on the underhood liner, that's in great condition.